Prove that sine theta plus sine 2 theta over 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta when cos theta is not equal to half and also not equal to 0. First things first, we know tan theta is the same as sine theta over cos theta. So we want to make sure that this left hand side would equate to this right hand side. So I'm just going to focus on the left hand side of the equation. There we have some trigonometric identities. So let's start with the first one. Sine 2 theta, which is the same as 2 sine theta cos theta. You can check your formula booklet for these trigonometric identities. Then we also have cos 2 theta in the bottom, which would be cos square theta minus sine square theta. I'm just going to substitute these. Nice and easy. So this would imply sine theta is equal to, plus 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus cos square of theta minus sine square of theta. Okay, in the numerator I can factor out sine theta, so this would be equal to sine theta brackets 1 plus 2 cos theta. The denominator, I'm just going to expand this bracket, but that wouldn't really do much for us. So here's the thing, we can substitute some identities here. We want to get cos theta as our result in the bottom, so we have to replace this sine theta so it goes away. Okay, that's what we focus on. So we have to find an identity that will replace sine with cos, and the only one I can think of right now is cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equal to 1. Just like this, and there we go. So now I'll replace it over here when I'm writing this denominator. So 1 plus cos theta plus cos squared of theta minus parentheses 1 minus cos squared theta. There we go. Just section this out for a bit. Okay, so now sine theta parentheses 1 plus 2 cos theta all over 1 plus cos theta plus cos squared of theta minus 1 plus cos squared of theta. I'm just expanding the bracket. Now the cos squared thetas would add up to give 2 cos squared theta, but then the ones would cancel out. The denominator for now, this would be cos theta plus 2 cos theta, cos squared theta. Okay, factorize this. I'm gonna have cos theta parentheses 1 plus 2 cos theta. Sorry, you must have noticed I'm using parentheses interchangeably with brackets. They all mean the same thing. Okay, there we go. We have the factored form. Now we can substitute back into the original equation. So that would be sine theta into 1 plus 2 cos theta over cos theta into 1 plus 2 cos theta. And this just cancels out nice and easy. Now we have sine theta over cos theta, which is tan of theta. Quantum errata demonstratum, just as required. Okay, moving on to the next question, number 6.